All right, y'all, this is problem number 9 out of 13.4. And the question says a pyramid shaped building is 312 feet tall, has a square base of 604. So if you notice, y'all, I made sure that all the bottoms were 604. And it says that the height, so this height right here, y'all, is 312 feet. Okay, so y'all, what I want to do here is I want to find that distance on the face of one of those triangles. So if that triangle looks like this, y'all, I want to find this height here. Okay, that's what it is I'm looking to find, because I need to find the area of each of those triangles, and there's 4 of them. So once I find the area for one, I can just multiply by 4 and then we should be good. So y'all, I want you to notice something here. We have a right triangle, okay, and I already know that this height here is 312. This piece right here, y'all, it's going to be half of 604. So that piece is going to be 302. So what I'm going to do, y'all, is I'm going to use my Pythagorean theorem, c squared equals a squared plus b squared, where we're calling this side here c, okay? So let's do it like this. Let's say we're going to take 312 squared plus 304 squared. So let's go ahead and do this part here on my calculator. So let me clear this out. Okay, so I'm going to say 312 squared plus 302 squared. Okay, it's giving me that number. And I'm going to take the square root of it. Okay, so y'all, I'm coming up with 434 and all that change there. So it's 434 point, and I want to bring this up here, y'all. In the problem here, and just so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. Right here it says round all intermediate values to 4 decimal places. So what they're asking me to do here is say write 320, what was it already? I forgot. 434.4 decimal places, so 2211. 434.2211. So they want me to go to 4 decimal places at this point, okay? So y'all, let's think about that triangle again, okay? So now I'm going to think about the triangle that I'm looking at, right? Looks something like this. We just found that distance to be 434. And we already knew that the bottom was 604, okay? So y'all, remember, my formula for finding the area of a triangle is area is 1/2 the base times the height. So I'm going to say we're going to take 1/2 the base, 604, times the height, 434.2211. Okay, so let me do that. Actually, let me write it again. Area is 1/2 base, 604, times height, 434.2211. Okay, and guys, remember, I have 4 of those triangles, okay? So I'm going to multiply both sides by 4. That gives me a 2 here. $22.11, not 111. There we go. Let me do this part on my calculator. So clear this out. 2 times 604 times 434.2211. And y'all, this is the number I'm coming up with, 524,539. Okay, so 524,539. And again, I want you to come back to the original problem, and when I come back right here, it says round the final answer to the nearest whole number. So I had to round the other parts to 4 decimal places, but then when I get to the end, I'm going to round it to the nearest whole number. So y'all, right here, and again, I'm going to put square feet, okay?